OldTown White Coffee as a brand began in 1999 in the fast-moving consumer goods space, offering its proprietary blend of instant coffee mixes. To reflect the DNA of the brand's proprietary formulation, the founders decided to name the brand for the location where it was founded, which is the old town of Ipoh in the state of Perak, Malaysia. Aside from white coffee, Old Town is known to have modernized the traditional kopitiam setting in 2005, creating a space that is cozy, casual, and serves local fare. That's easy. It'll be the nasi lemak crispy chicken with a hot cup of Old Town White Coffee. The transition to the endemic stage is yet another revolution which we embrace. An increase in demand needs to be prepared for with a workforce trained to meet that demand and product quality and customer service within customers' expectations. We have 168 outlets across Malaysia and Singapore serving over 2 million products a month. As we have 138 items on the menu, consistency of products is key to ensuring customer satisfaction. Hygiene, food safety, and preserving the quality of our products are parameters that we look to industry experts such as Ecolab to assist us with. Ecolab provides Old Town the check and balance needed to ensure that the food safety and hygiene practices at all its outlets are constantly checked and verified via Ecolab's territory managers.
We believe in long-term business partnership, and through our comprehensive program, we deliver value to our business partners by helping them to achieve the 5 things that matter most. Number 1, clean result, lowest total cost of operations, positive guest experience, food safety and public health. Lastly, brand protection. Manpower movement is one of the challenges that business operations will always face. In a post-pandemic era, customers' expectation of clean and sanitation have also increased. As a result, employees need to be trained quickly and efficiently on infection prevention. With health and safety top of mind for customers, Ecolab works collaboratively with our business partners, including Old Town, by providing them personally delivered service and trainings on site. We also emphasize a more advanced cleaning protocols that include sanitizing or disinfecting to ensure the highest level of brand protection, cleanliness, and efficiency are achieved.
We serve comfort food to our communities that they may rely on us without question. This reliance translates into a cozy and comfortable dining experience free of concern from health, safety, and hygiene issues. Customers should have the peace of mind to bring their children and aged parents to the largest halal kopitiam chain in Malaysia because we stand for reliability and authenticity in everything that we do.